An essay is a chance to identify what you read and learn. As a writer, you first need to collect many materials, then write an essay in 4 or 5 paragraphs, structures and quotes. If someone is searching for a book or article to read, he or she will decide from the very beginning whether this work is worth attention. If you want to wow your teacher, polish the introduction, especially the first couple sentences. Add an essay hook, something interesting, funny, shocking, or intriguing to win the reader's attention. Build on emotional connection with your right from the start. A hook in the essay is a catchy sentence or paragraph in the impressive introduction, which serves as an attention element and an important part. An excellent hook sentence is engaging and interesting. It is a perfect method to start an argumentative or persuasive essay. The hook for your essay often appears in the first sentence. The opening paragraph includes a thesis sentence. Some popular hook choices can include using an interesting quote, a little-known fact, famous last words, or a statistic.